So here's a song that I've always liked since the first time I heard Jimmy Buffett do it, written by the late, great Guy Clark. It's time for a change. I'm tired of the same old words, same old lines, same old tricks, same old rhymes. Days, precious days, roll in and out like waves. I got boards to bend, planks to nail, charts to make. I got seas to sail. I'm gonna build me a boat with these two hands. It'll be a fair curve from a noble plan. Let the chips fall where they will, 'cause I've got boats to build. Sails are just like wings, wind can make them sing. The songs of life, songs of hope, songs to keep your dreams afloat. I'm gonna build me a boat with these two hands. It'll be a fair curve from a noble plan. Let the chips fall where they will, 'cause I've got boats to build. Shores, distant shores, that's where I'm headed for. Got the stars to guide my way, sailing to the light of day. I'm gonna build me a boat with these two hands. There'll be a fair curve from a noble plan. Let the chips fall where they will, 'cause I've got boats to build. I'm gonna build me a boat with these two hands. There'll be a fair curve from a noble plan. Let the chips fall where they will, 'cause I've got boats to build. I've got boats to build. Gonna build me a boat.